Dear Jamaican woman, I know that I haven't said it much, but I want to tell you how beautiful you are. I like and I love your smile. Because it lights up my world, it's lovely. Your rich skin tone is more beautiful each time that I see it. My sweet Jamaican woman, only you now. The true meaning of a Jamaican queen. You have been told time and time again that you must be kept in the kitchen, and you have complied for centuries, and stay in the shadows of your men. You plowed the fields and plant the corns. You work hard and feed your men and children. You have been the cornerstone and pillars of the Jamaican nation. You are the sunshine of the family, the lifeline of Jamaica.